Hi, welcome to my screencast. I'm doing the Smithsonian Natural Museum of Natural History. Today I'm going to walk you through some of the gem and mineral exhibits. Here they have a very impressive collection and it would be my pleasure to share it with you. I'm going to talk about the shape, the color, and the general diversity of many different types of minerals. My name is Marguerite Tiemann and I think you're really going to be excited to hear about this. First off, the shape of the minerals can be so many different shapes that are found when they form in the Earth's crust. They can be hexagons, they can be cubic, they can form leaflet plates, they can form massive crystals that are just in diamond shapes. It doesn't really matter which way it forms though, because every type of mineral has its own unique way of forming. Now come over here to this pyrite exhibit. And pyrite is a very unique mineral because it can form in a multitude of different shapes. Pyrite is formed in many base or the matrix element. It can form in limestone, it can form in gypsum, it can form in different types of just plain old gravel rock. Really all that it takes to form pyrite is enough pressure and enough iron. Pyrite can form cubes like over here in this section. It can form little hexagonal crystals. It can form veins just like regular gold does in mines, which leads to the moniker fool's gold because people are fooled into thinking they found gold. But pyrite is just one example of how many different forms a crystalline structure can take. We're going to head over to the color part of this, which is in Gems and Minerals section 2. If we look over here at this wall, it will show you how many different rainbows of colors you can make with the same substance. Basically, what happens is a gradient from dark purple to light pink can be formed because different base elements are added into the structure. Say you have a quartz and you add in iron, you're going to get a reddish quartz. Or if you have something that you add copper to, it's going to become bluish. If we look over here at the copper section, it will give you many examples of this. If you think of lapis lazuli or different types of jade, they all have massive amounts of copper in it, which gives us this greenish to bluish coloring. It's really impressive because copper is such a commonly found substance. Big pieces like this can be mined and the copper extracted out of them. Go to the next section. We're going to talk about how often substances occur in nature. For this example, I'm going to use the example of quartz. We stop spinning. So quartz is the most commonly found mineral in the Earth's crust. It makes up over 85% of the Earth's crust, and it can come in a multitude of different colors, from smoky quartz, which is opaque but has a dark blackish color, to rose quartz, to amethyst, to different types of opaque and clear quartz. Quartz makes up a lot of the Earth's crust because it's such a light element bonding with oxygen and silicates. Quartz makes up things you don't even think it makes up, like sand or different types of rocks we use to build our houses. Quartz is a very common mineral that's formed in granite. Some of the lighter colored flecks in the granite are quartz. So they all bind together to form a different type of rock. This is all I'm going to go through today. I strongly suggest that you come to the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History website and go through this tour by yourself. It will take you through the whole museum, which is crazy for a free website. I hope you really enjoyed looking at these rocks because I know I did. I hope that one day I'll be able to make students as excited as I am about minerals and rocks. Thank you. Have a nice evening.